This video shows you how to fix Samsung S26 apps missing from the app drawer and restore them easily in a few simple steps. Sometimes apps don't actually get deleted. They are just hidden, disabled, or filtered by system settings. That's why they suddenly disappear from your phone. Follow the steps below to bring them back. Step 1. Check disabled apps. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap Apps. At the top, you will see a filter or sort option next to Your Apps. Tap it and enable Show System Apps so you can also see built-in applications. Then look for a filter option and select Disabled Apps if available. Now carefully check the list. If you find the missing app here, it means the app was turned off. Tap on the app, open its details page and press Enable. Once enabled, the app will instantly return to your app drawer and home screen if it was previously added there. Step 2. Unhide apps from home screen settings. If the app is still missing, go back to settings and scroll down to find home screen. Tap on it to open home screen configuration settings. Inside this menu, look for an option called Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. Tap it and you will see a list of hidden applications at the top section. These are apps that are intentionally hidden from view. To restore them, simply tap the minus icon next to the app name or tap the app icon itself to remove it from the hidden list. After that, press Done at the bottom to save your changes. Once completed, all hidden or disabled apps will reappear normally in your app drawer. This method quickly solves the apps missing issue on Samsung S26 devices without needing any reset or data loss.